In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp to your website on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to enhance communication with your website visitors, integrating WhatsApp can be a great way to do so. It's efficient and allows your visitors to reach you directly with their questions or feedback. So let's dive in and make your website more interactive. First, we need to head over to the Hostinger website. You can do this by simply typing Hostinger into your web browser's search bar and hitting enter. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. Here, enter your login details to access your Hostinger account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one and then log in. After logging in, you will be redirected to your account's homepage. From here, let's navigate to the Hostinger website builder. This is where all the magic happens. If this is your first time using the website builder, don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're inside the website builder, look for a 3-dot icon, which you'll find typically towards the top or side of your screen. This icon leads to a drop-down menu where we'll proceed to our next steps. Click on the icon and then select Apps from the drop-down list that appears. Inside the App section, you'll see a variety of different services and integrations that you can add to your website. Scroll through the options until you find WhatsApp. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial as it will begin integrating WhatsApp onto your site. Now at this stage you might be asked to input the WhatsApp number you wish to associate with your website or to configure additional settings. Make sure to fill these details carefully so that your visitors can contact you seamlessly through WhatsApp. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you have now successfully added WhatsApp to your Hostinger website. This integration will provide your website visitors with a direct line of communication, making it easier for you to engage with them and improve your customer service. Remember, keeping it simple and interactive is key to retaining visitors and potential customers. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now ready to offer better communication options on your site. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback down in the comments section.